Yeah, I think everything that you've said, your leadership skills are top notch.
My leadership skills are developed from experience. I just have experienced it. I mean, I'm 30 years of running people. 1,000+ people come through my door of employment, and everybody's got a story. And some of them stories we need to be compassionate about, some of them stories we don't. I do believe that leadership is a huge key, and anybody and everybody should always be working on growing your ability to lead, your ability to teach people what you know. And I've never been a guy that don't want to teach somebody what I know. I have at least a dozen people that worked for me, that came to me while working for me and say, I want to start a business doing this by myself. And me help those people start their own company that could be in direct line competition to what I do. It never stopped me from helping anybody, never. I never had anybody go around and try and steal work from me either, never. Some of those guys, now that I sold that company, some of those people I still use today taking care of other stuff I need to take care of. One of the guys, I just spoke to him on the phone, or I didn't talk to him on the phone, I just sent him a text today because I had somebody call me and need an air conditioner worked on. I called and I sent it over to him. I said, hey, I sent your contact over here. This guy's gonna call, he's got air conditioning he's fixed. And we still work together. The electrician that does all of my electrical. It took me 2 years. It took me 2 years to convince him he would be better off working for himself than working for me. That he had the potential to do some great stuff in an area of a business that I didn't want to grow. And I said, just take it and you go do it. Oh, I can't do that. No, you can do that. No, I can't do that. And right now we laugh about it. He was just doing a job for me the other night. We were sitting there just laughing about those stories because it's just the only person that can hold Nick back is Nick. I can't do anything to hold you back. I can't. Your employer, you can go to work with them. They can't hold you back. They can fire you. So what? That don't hold you back.
Right.
You make your destination. You make your choices. And we don't give up. We don't quit. We don't shut up. We don't back up. It's a mindset. And it takes being to a certain point, a little bit aggressive to make stuff happen. If you get punched in the teeth and you shut down and now you don't do anything because you're afraid to open your mouth, okay. You need to be an employee all the time. Because one thing you're gonna learn as an entrepreneur, somebody's gonna punch you in the mouth, not physically punch you in the mouth, that's never happened. Somebody's gonna kick you in the nuts, somebody's gonna beat you down, whether it's through Facebook or social media or through your name on the street when you're at a supply house. You're always gonna come across something like that. And in my perspective, I'm going to address it. So if I got something that somebody says something negative about myself, I'm not just going to let it lay, I'm going to confront it. Because in my opinion, there's nothing negative about me out there. But that's the cool thing. That's the aggressiveness of an entrepreneur. You can do me. You can absolutely try. And the more money you got, the better opportunity you got to make it go your way. So that's another thing about being cool, about working hard, saving your money, because, you get some different opportunities on your place.